Hello friends, back again on your boy channel. Look friends, in front of you there are many toys which are colorful. And here there are three big trucks, guys. There is red color, green color, and also blue color. We'll put the toys one by one into this truck, guys. But before continuing, click subscribe and like the video. Let's take the first toy. Whoa, look, this is a red truck. Nice and beautiful color. We take it again. Whoa, there's a red car. Let's save it again. We take it again. Wow, and this is a water tank car. This water tank car is colored blue and red. We take it again. And this one is an orange race car. Nice and beautiful color. We take it again. Whoa! And this is a yellow fire engine, guys. Nice and beautiful color. We take it again. Whoa, look! And this is a toy coal transport truck. This truck is yellow in color. We take it again. Whoa, there is an off-road car that is orange in color. Nice and beautiful color. We take it again. Whoa, there is a car transporting animals from the zoo. Nice and beautiful color. Whoa, and it turns out that the red truck is full of toys. Let's move to the green truck. And this is a blue box car toy. Nice and beautiful color. We take it again. Look, guys, and it turns out that this is a white racing car. We take it again. Wow, there is a cool blue racing bike. Nice and beautiful color. We take it again. And this is a blue toy that is a steel tank. We take it again. Okay, guys, here there is a Beco car toy. This Beco car is yellow in color. We take it again. Whoa, and this is a sand transport car. This car is yellow in color. We take it again. Whoa, and this is the blue fire engine, guys. We take it again. Whoa, and this is an old-time car, guys. The name of this car is Bajaj. The green truck is full. Let's next to truck other. We take it again. Wow, there is a toy red box car. Nice and beautiful color. We take it again. Whoa, there is an excavator car. This car is orange in color. He's very big, isn't he? We take it again. Whoa, look, guys, I found a container truck carrying heavy equipment. We take it again. Wow, there's a little tank car. We take it again. And this is a red Pertamina tank car. Nice and beautiful color. We take it again. Okay, guys, here there is a Beco car toy. This Beco car is yellow in color. Wow, there's a Bumblebee too. We take it again. Wow, there's a toy, the mountain car off-road car. Nice and beautiful color. Okay, guys, we got a lot of toys. Let's take it home right away. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and comment, guys. See you, bye-bye.